In this video tutorial, we are going to learn subtract. Subtract is used to remove the body from other bodies. So first, I will create two different bodies to use subtract. After creating, I name bodies. Blue body. On the top, I add red color and name red body. The bodies must intersect each other. To apply subtract, click Tool. Click Subtract. At the gear icon, there are 4 options. Option 1, click None. For this option, the body that is targeted as the body subtractor or body cutter will be deleted after subtraction. Click the body that we would like to remove. We can call it Removed Body. Click Body Cutter. Click Done. The blue body is removed, and the red body is deleted. Click Undo to go backward. Click Tool. Click Subtract. Option 2, click Remove Bodies. If you click this option, the body cutter will be kept after subtraction. Click to select the removed body. Click the body cutter. Click Done. The blue body is removed, and the red body, the body cutter, is kept. We will go to option 3. Click Tool. Click Subtract. Click Modify Bodies. This option, the body cutter, will delete. The removed body will keep in its original and it will create another body. This body will be subtracted. Click Removed Body. Click Body Cutter. Click Done. Click the arrow and drag to move out. This is the new body. Click Undo. We are going to option 4. Click Tool. Click Subtract. Click All. In this option, the body cutter and the removed body will be kept in original. The new body is created and it will be subtracted by the body cutter.